MuseScore versus NotePerformer. Which music software is better? Choosing the right music software can completely change how you create and hear your compositions without struggling with unrealistic playback. MuseScore offers notation, while NotePerformer enhances sound realism. MuseScore is a free music notation software focused on composing and editing sheet music. NotePerformer is a sound library plugin designed to improve playback quality in notation programs. The core difference is MuseScore handles notation, while NotePerformer specializes in realistic audio rendering. MuseScore is a powerful open-source music notation software that allows composers and arrangers to create, edit, and print sheet music with ease. It features an intuitive interface for entering notes, lyrics, and dynamics, supporting a wide range of musical styles. MuseScore works by providing a full score editor combined with playback functionality using built-in sound fonts. Its strengths include being completely free, regularly updated, and supported by a large community. Users can export scores in various formats including PDF, MIDI, and Music XML. However, its built-in playback, while useful for review, can sound synthetic and lacks the nuance of live instruments. MuseScore is ideal for composers, educators, and students who want a comprehensive notation tool without extra costs and are comfortable with basic playback quality. NotePerformer is a professional sound library plugin designed to enhance the playback of music notation software, including MuseScore. It works by replacing standard MIDI sounds with highly realistic instrument samples and intelligent performance algorithms that add natural expression, dynamics, and phrasing. NotePerformer excels in producing lifelike audio that closely mimics real orchestras and ensembles, making it invaluable for composers who want to hear their scores with authentic timbres. The plugin integrates seamlessly with notation programs, improving playback without requiring manual tweaking. Its main limitation is that it is a paid product, which may be a consideration for budget-conscious users. NotePerformer suits composers, arrangers, and music educators who prioritize realistic audio previews and need detailed, expressive playback to evaluate their work before live performance or recording. MuseScore and NotePerformer serve complementary but distinct roles. MuseScore provides the full notation environment, enabling score creation and editing, but its playback sounds basic and synthetic. NotePerformer enhances this by delivering rich, realistic instrument sounds and expressive nuances, turning MIDI playback into a more convincing performance. For example, a student composing a simple piano piece will find MuseScore sufficient for notation and review. In contrast, an orchestrator working on a complex symphony will benefit greatly from NotePerformer's lifelike playback to assess balance and expression. The trade-off is cost and complexity. MuseScore is free and complete for notation, while NotePerformer requires purchase but significantly upgrades sound quality. Together they offer a powerful workflow, but choosing depends on whether notation or playback realism is the priority. Choose MuseScore if you need a free, robust notation tool focused on score creation and editing, with basic playback for composition and learning. Opt for NotePerformer if realistic, expressive playback is essential to your workflow, especially for orchestral or detailed compositions. Combining MuseScore's notation with NotePerformer's sound elevates your music production, delivering both precision in writing and authenticity